Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel Light for Blind. This video is about most important question and answers of Pakistan studies relating the history of subcontinent after 1857 and the Pakistan movement. Question: when Gandhi called off the non-cooperation movement appropriately? Answer is February 1922. Question: the Home Rule was started by which of the following personalities? Answer is Mrs. Annie Besant. Question: the Mopler Revolt took place at the Malabar in. Answer is 1921. Question: when the famous 14 points of Qaid-e-Azam were presented? Answer is 1929. Question: when the Qaid-e-Azam returned to India from the self-exile? Answer is 1934. Question: when the title Qaid-e-Azam was given to Muhammad Ali Jinnah? Answer is 1938. Question: the name Pakistan was suggested by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali in. Answer is 1933. Question: the Gandhi-Irvine Pact was made in. Answer is 1931. Question: when did the Qaid-e-Azam become the perpetual president of the Muslim League? Answer is 1934. Question: in how many provinces the Congress formed the ministries in 1937? Answer is 7. Question: who initiated the cult of Shivaji against the Muslims of India? Answer is Balgangadhar Tilak. Question: when the Nehru Committee was constituted to propose the future constitution of India? Answer is February 1928. Question: when the Congress ministries resigned from their offices? Answer is none of these. Question: who first thought of possibility of a Muslim republic embarrassing the present Central Asian state in northwest of subcontinent? Answer is Sayyid Jamaluddin Afghani. Question: when the Simla conference was concluded with failure? Answer is July 14, 1945. Question: who negotiated with Cabinet Mission 1946 on behalf of All India National Congress? Answer is A.K. Azad. Question: who became the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? Answer is Badruddin Tayyibji. Question: from 1858 to 1947, the British government appointed dash viceroys in India. Answer is 24. Question: Sindh was separated from Bombay in. Answer is 1936. Question: who was the author of Pirpur Report? Answer is Raja Sayyid Muhammad Mehdi. Question: this is the parting of the ways was said by. Answer is Qaid-e-Azam. Question: the title Ambassador of Hindus Muslim Unity was given to Mr. Jinnah by. Answer is Sarojini Naidu. Question: who was called the Ambassador of Hindu Muslim Unity? Answer is Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Question: who of the following can be credited heavily for the establishment of the All India Muslim League? Answer is Mohsinul Mulk. Question: at the time of Jallianwala Bagh massacre, who of the following was the Viceroy of India? Answer is Lord Hardinge. Question. When the province of Bengal was partitioned? Answer is October 16, 1905. Question. The partition of Bengal was annulled on dash. Answer is December 12, 1911. Question. When the Quaid-e-Azam had joined the All India Muslim League? Answer is December 1913. Question. When the Lucknow Pact was signed between Congress and Muslim League? Answer is December 1916. Question. Who of the following introduced the doctrine of lapse? Answer is Lord Dalhousie. Question. When the Indian Councils Act was enacted into law? Answer is 1909. Question. When the Indian National Congress was formed? Answer is 1885. Question. Who was the first president of the Indian National Congress? Answer is Mr. Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. Question. When the resolution for establishing the All India Muslim League was passed? Answer is Shahbag Dhaka. Question. The annual session of the Congress of 1913 was held in which of the following cities? Answer is Karachi. Question. King George V of Britain announced dash on December 12, 1911 at the occasion of his coronation at Delhi Darbar. Answer is the annulment of the partition of Bengal. Question. When the Government of India Act came into effect? Answer is 1919. Question. When Sir Syed Ahmad Khan was born in Delhi? Answer is 17th October 1817. Question. Sir Syed authored the book dash 1858. Answer is Asbab-e Baghawat-e Hind. Question. When Sir Syed was appointed as the member of Imperial Council? Answer is 1878. Question. Sir Syed discussed in detail the similarities between Islam and Christianity in his book. Answer is Ahkamul Mazahib. Question. In 1859, Sir Syed established a school at Answer is Muradabad. Question. Sir Syed established a scientific society in Ghazipur dash for the purpose of translating the modern works from English to Urdu and Persian. Answer is 1864. Question. The first Indian Council Act was passed in? Answer is 1861. Question. In Tehzeebul Akhlaq, Sir Syed described aspects of the? Answer is Muslim culture. Question. Who of the following pioneered the two-nation theory for the first time? Answer is Shah Waliullah. Please subscribe my channel and like and share the video.